Garlic and milk might sound like an unusual combination, but when these two powerhouse ingredients come together, the health benefits are remarkable. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of garlic and milk, uncovering their combined potential to enhance your well-being. So, what are the major benefits when you drink garlic milk? Number 1. Preventing acne. Acne, a common skin condition, often arises due to the proliferation of a bacteria known as Propionibacterium acnes. This bacterium thrives when skin glands are obstructed, leading to inflammation and the formation of pimples. A 2017 study conducted by ICMR revealed that garlic contains numerous sulfur compounds capable of inhibiting the growth of these harmful bacteria. Consuming garlic with milk can enhance its acne-preventing properties. The combination facilitates the absorption of various components into the bloodstream, subsequently expelling them from the body through sweat. This process allows the compounds to penetrate deep into the skin pores, effectively combating and eliminating bacteria. Number 2. Lower risk of diabetes. Managing diabetes is another benefit attributed to garlic milk. Research indicates that garlic can assist in regulating blood glucose levels, thereby aiding in the control of diabetes and mitigating its long-term complications. A study conducted by CFTRI revealed that garlic complements the effectiveness of metformin, a prominent diabetes medication. Beyond its impact on blood sugar levels, garlic also contributes to reducing cholesterol and harmful triglyceride levels. Number 3. Reducing cancer risk. Numerous studies have pinpointed several components in garlic as potent antioxidants capable of neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage DNA, a major contributor to cancer formation. As a highly potent anti-cancer food, garlic may play a crucial role in reducing the risk of developing cancerous tumors. Therefore, incorporating garlic milk into one's diet could potentially offer protective benefits against cancer development. Number 4. Prevents stomach problems. In Ayurveda, imbalances in both mental and physiological aspects can lead to various bowel issues like constipation and bloating. These imbalances are attributed to Vata, representing the elements of space and air within an individual. When Vata is disturbed, symptoms such as coldness and stiffness may arise. Consuming foods that counteract these qualities, such as warm and soothing options, can assist in alleviating such discomfort. Garlic milk is considered to be among these warm and smooth foods, making it a recommended choice in traditional healing practices for addressing a range of stomach-related concerns. Number 5. Enhancing cardiovascular wellness. Certainly, maintaining heart health is paramount for everyone, as the proper functioning of this vital organ is indispensable for our overall well-being. It's imperative to recognize that allicin, a compound plentiful in garlic, has been extensively researched and proven to possess sedative, relaxing, and preventive properties against various heart ailments like hyperglycemia, hyperlipidemia, and hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. For optimal benefits, it is advised to incorporate garlic milk into your daily regimen to ensure a consistent supply of allicin to support heart health. Number 6. Addressing joint pain and arthritis. When garlic and milk are blended together, they form a distinctive concoction with anti-inflammatory properties. This blend can effectively diminish joint inflammation and alleviate associated pain. Additionally, the calcium present in milk plays a pivotal role in bolstering bone health and overall body strength, thereby aiding in the management of conditions like arthritis. Number 7. Reduce winter diseases. During the rainy and winter seasons, colds, congestion, and the flu often make their rounds. Garlic-infused milk offers a remedy and preventive measure against these common ailments. Research indicates that garlic not only lowers the risk of catching a cold, but also aids in managing various winter illnesses while expediting recovery. Also, a 12-week study detailed in the Journal of Nutrition revealed that regular garlic intake reduced the incidence of colds by an impressive 63% compared to a placebo. Additionally, research conducted by the National Institute of Nutrition demonstrated that a potent dosage of aged garlic extract slashed the duration of cold and flu symptoms by 61%. Number 8. Jaundice Remedy. Jaundice manifests as yellowing of the skin or the whites of the eyes, and may indicate underlying liver issues. Garlic milk, when consumed, it is believed to offer an effective remedy for jaundice. Number 9. Great sleep. Garlic milk boasts a rich concentration of beneficial nutrients, including allicin and zinc, which are renowned for their ability to induce relaxation naturally, facilitating a quicker onset of sleep. Well, that's all the major benefits if you drink garlic and milk together. However, people frequently ask some questions about the garlic milk. Let's find the answer. Question 1. Can I drink garlic milk daily? Absolutely. Garlic milk, infused with anti-inflammatory properties and sweetened with honey, is renowned for its ability to alleviate seasonal ailments and boost immunity. Question 2. Does garlic milk reduce cholesterol? Regular consumption of garlic milk for a week can contribute to a reduction in bad cholesterol levels, while simultaneously elevating good cholesterol levels in the body. Question 3. Does garlic milk lower blood pressure? Utilizing garlic milk may effectively lower your elevated blood pressure and promote general health improvements. Question 4. Is it safe to have garlic milk? Indeed, combining garlic and milk into a beverage is considered safe. Their synergy offers numerous health benefits without adverse effects. Question 5. What is garlic milk? Garlic milk offers a revitalizing twist to your daily refreshment. It's a simple concoction of milk, infused with garlic, allowing you to choose your preferred type of milk for the base. For those who are lactose intolerant or follow a vegan lifestyle, coconut or almond milk can seamlessly replace traditional dairy. Question 6. Can I drink garlic and milk at night? Yes, you can drink garlic and milk at night. For better results, it is great to take half an hour before bedtime. While consuming 1 to 2 garlic cloves daily can offer health advantages, exceeding this amount may lead to undesirable effects, such as bad breath, heartburn, stomach discomfort, and other unpleasant side effects. Question 7. Who should avoid garlic milk? During pregnancy or lactation, it's advisable for women to steer clear of garlic consumption, as it could potentially induce labor. Question 8. Is garlic milk beneficial for high blood pressure? Garlic milk can be a helpful addition to your routine if you're looking to lower your blood pressure and promote overall health. Question 9. When is the best time to consume garlic milk? To reap its benefits, strain and drink 10 milliliters of garlic milk after meals twice daily. Well, that is the end of the video. Tell us your opinion in the comments section. And make sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our channel for further interesting videos. Till then, stay with us.